on the right, you might see a little brown hut down right there on the ridgeline. If you can, that is called the McKinnon Hut, or the McKinnon Pass. So this is the highest and most challenging part of the Milford walking track. This one is 3,500 feet high. They don't actually sleep in that hut, they just stop there for a little bit of a break before they go into that after valley.